Hi everyone, welcome to PDK Media channel. Women computer. Yes, you heard it rightly. Shakuntala Devi, so-called women computer. In this video, we're going to talk about Shakuntala Devi, how she got this name called women computer, as well as how was her early life and personal life. Meanwhile, what was her records in Guinness Book as well as in her lifestyle. Before going to that part, I would like to request you, please subscribe to this channel and help us to make the more videos such. Coming to the part of her life. Shakuntala Devi born on 4th November 1929. She was an Indian. She born in Bangalore location. Her education was completed through Mysore University. She was an Indian writer, mental calculator, popularly known as woman computer. Shakuntala Devi struggled to simplify maths to students. It is also one of her fashion or aim. Her name also mentioned in Guinness Book of World Records. Before going to that part, I would like to tell you about her early life of Shakuntala Devi. She was born in Hindu Brahmin family in Bangalore. Her father was an artist and magician. He was working for some company. Those days, when she was just 3 years old, her father, Mr. Mani, discovered that she is having an amazing ability to memorize numbers. Her father came to know that she is having a good memorizing numbers. He came to know that talent. Folks, that talent, you know that on those days there was no TV shows such as India Got Talent, America Got Talent or social media to show our talent to the world. Today what we are using it is a so-called social medias we are using it. But on those days those things will be not there. First time Shakuntala Devi given a road show with her father. Mr. Mani took his daughter to the road show to show her talent to the world. Shakuntala Devi proved her mathematics capabilities in the University of Mysore in the age of 6. Post that, Shakuntala Devi was moved to London with her father in 1944. Next we are going to the when was her mathematical talent got recognized by world. As early as 5 years of her age, world could realize that she was a genius child. She was found as expert in highly complex mental mathematics. Her passion to expand women's capacity made her develop to the concept known as dynamic. Shakuntala Devi traveled several countries around the world to demonstrate her mathematical talent. You know one thing, she believed that her talent is God gifted. Same thing, she is spreading the message to the world. On 18 June 1980, she demonstrated the multiplication of two 13-digit numbers picked at random by Department of Computing at Imperial College London. She correctly answered in just 28 seconds, which was taken by her to speak the answer. Hope you can understand how amazed she was. This was the same event recorded in the 1982's Guinness Book of World Record. The same report is far superior to anything previously reported. That can only be described as unbelievable. This is what I got it from her biography. On those days, she got appreciated by the world. In that, one special thing is Miss Indira Gandhi, who is third Prime Minister of India. She told to Shakuntala Devi, "Shakuntala, I have got many ambassadors all over the world, but you are very special ambassador, as you can win many friends for India through your mathematical and quick calculation skill." As mentioned earlier, she was a writer. The most unique book she authored. Now we can go to that part. We can say she had a soft heart towards homosexual. She treated homosexuality in a positive manner and wrote a book titled The Word of Homosexuals, which is the first ever book on homosexuality in India. She was argued on this subject that all people exhibit different sexual tendency and orientation at different times, and there is nothing called homosexuality or heterosexuality in the world. In India, on 6 September 2018, IPC section 377 taken some steps on the sexual activity, taken some decisions on same subject. You can also go and search in the Google, same things has been described in the link. She was also authored number of books, astrology and cooking, which all are not noticed at that duration. Next we can go to her personal life. As earlier mentioned, she went to London in the 1944. She returned to India in the year of 1960 and she got married to Paritosh Banerjee. He was an IAS officer from Kolkata. They were divorced in 1979 due to some personal problem. She was also contested in Lok Sabha election in 1980 as independent candidate from Mumbai South and Medak. Do you know one thing? She never liked the title Woman Computer. After she projected her talent in BBC channel on October 5th, 1950, she said women minds has matchless, much more capabilities than computer, and it is not appreciated to compare human minds with computer. In April 2013, Shakuntala Devi was admitted to hospital in Bangalore with respiratory problems. Over the following 2 weeks, she suffered from complications of heart and kidney disease. Shakuntala Devi died in Bangalore on 21st April 2013 at the age of 83. On 4th November 2013, Shakuntala Devi was honored with Google Doodle. This was her 84th birthday. Based on Shakuntala Devi biography, recently movie got released, which is named called Shakuntala Devi. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Wishing you have a nice day. Good luck. Thank you.